How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing your studies well at home, studying the tutorials very well, noting down it simultaneously by understanding from the tutorial. Let me start what we will do today. This is our today's target. Today, as in my previous that is yesterday's tutorial, I have told you that I'll explain oxidation and reduction with more examples. That's why that we will today examples of oxidation and reduction with better understanding for better understanding. Second, I'll explain you the electronic concept of oxidation and reduction, which is one more concept by which we can understand that in a chemical reaction, oxidation has taken place where and where is reduction takes place. And next activities, you better know that for the better understanding activities are must. And then question related to the concept, what we will do today. And those questions you have to do after studying your tutorial very well. Each and every point you have to study. Each and every point you have to listen from the tutorial very well. Then only you can do the questions. Now let's start. Very first, I will tell you that I have told you double displacement reaction already. And just a reminder, I am giving you that precipitation reactions are also called double displacement reaction because in double displacement reaction, precipitates formed as already in my previous tutorial I have explained you. I hope all of you have reminded. This you can see that this I have explained you earlier. By looking into this page, you can see that I have explained you already what is precipitates, what is precipitation reaction. And this reaction I have told you, this is very important. You have to note down the colors also. Many questions come on it. On that time also I have told you. The very first question you will come to know, what happens when silver nitrate, its name is silver nitrate, reacts with silver chloride, sodium chloride. Write down the color of the precipitates formed and write its chemical formula also. Very first question you have got. Second question you will get that write the chemical reaction between potassium sulfate. Its name is potassium sulfate and it is barium chloride. What happens when potassium sulfate reacts with barium chloride? Name the chemical reaction, write down the chemical formula and name of the product formed, and write down the color of precipitates formed. Similarly, copper sulfate reacts with hydrogen sulfide. Write down the color of the precipitates formed, name the chemical reaction also. This is your 3 questions I have told you that you have to do. See, this is the definition of precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction, an insoluble compound called precipitates formed. That means insoluble compound is known as precipitate formed, and the solution, that reaction in which insoluble compound formed when 2 solution containing soluble salts are combined. जब हम 2 solutions we take 2 solutions whose salts are soluble, they are mixed together, they formed insoluble compound in the precipitate form, that is known as precipitation reaction. And the substance formed, that insoluble compound which is left in the beaker at the bottom, that is known as precipitate. You can note down this chemical reaction also. Lead nitrate, its name is lead nitrate. Potassium iodide, it forms potassium nitrate and lead iodide. Again, you have to learn the color of this precipitate formed. This arrow shows that this is settled down. This is settled down in the beaker.